Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in this video section, I want to show you guys how to add a payment receipts upload payment receipt section in your WooCommerce. Now why this is important is if you are using a manual payment section which has to do with payments where user transfer and you don't want to delay them in terms of trying to know whether the transfer has come yet, or just to enhance or improve your delivery with your new users. So it's good to add a payment receipt section where users have the ability to upload a payment receipt. Now this can't be done because there are limited plugins with WordPress that has this added advantage to upload the file. Now currently there are more plugins, but due to knowledge base and other coding ideas which most users don't have in terms of coding. So if it is me normally, I will just code this section and definitely the works, link it to my WooCommerce. It will work. Now I want to show you guys how to do this without having a coding knowledge, which is easy. So in order for this to work, we have to use just one payment options, which is direct bank transfer. So if you want to use anyone, you just have to remove this. I have a check payment and cash on delivery, so you have to remove this. It works only on one payment option. Why? Because we have to make the file upload required. Many users have to upload before they place their order. So go back to your WooCommerce section, go to payments. So let me turn this off, go to take offline payments and go to check, turn this off and save. Do the same thing for cash on delivery if yours is enabled. Then save changes. Then you go back to payment option. You go to this, go to the direct bank transfer, click on manage. Now I have added mine, so if you want to add another one, go to add accounts, select the country of your bank, then let me just use account name, bank name and account number. Then I'll just click save. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this and come back here, just give space and click word save changes. So I'm just come back here and reload this section. Okay, this is it. So users who understand, they'll just have to pay in any of the accounts. Now the next section, we need to install a plugin. Go back to WordPress, go to plugins, then go to add new plugin. Then let's go to upload. Let's select the file. Now the plugin name is Flexible Checkout Pro. You need the pro section, the pro version in order to do this. Then if you want to get this from me, just an affordable fee. You can message me on WhatsApp or click the link to my WhatsApp or drop a comment below on how to get it. It's not free. So as you can see, I've uploaded it. Now click what install. Good. So I'll activate this plugin. Good. So we need to install the main flexible checkout. So I'll click on this and activate the plugin. You can also ignore the update section for it. You can also ignore it like this. You can ignore it. Our next section is go to WooCommerce, then go to checkout field. Now let's go back to our checkout section. Now we want to add the upload file after this, that is before this place order, which is the submit button before this. So go back to your checkout section, you go to settings here. Then once you come to settings, yeah, we said before, right? Before submit field. Then you click on save changes. Then you go back to checkout sections. Then you click on this before submit. And the next section, just scroll down. Let's see, we need to check for file upload. Click on this file upload, and now the label name should be upload payment proof. Then click on add to field. Then this field section, before we save, click on this section here, make this what's required. You go to advanced. Users are permitted to just upload one file and select the type of file: JPEG, PNG, and also PDF. Let's locate PDF. Yeah, there is PDF. So let me just clear again. Okay, yeah, this is PDF. Now the maximum file here should be 5 megabytes. Then click on save changes. You can also change the appearance if you want to, but don't go that way if you don't understand. This is CSS. You know how to change the appearance of it. You can do that, but I won't show you guys that in the video section. You need to add a code to the CSS class using this CSS class. Then we've added this. Let me just click save changes again. So go back to your checkout page, then reload the section. As you can see, upload payment proof. Now let me just fill out this information. Now, for instance, I'm the user. We've made the payment to this account. So now click on upload payment proof. I'll click on the select file. So you can see I've uploaded an image here. Then after that, I'll click on place order. You can say thank you, order has been received. So the next section is I'll go back to my admin. So in order to save our order, go to admin, go to WooCommerce, click on orders. Then you click on this I section to view. You click what? Edit. Now once you scroll down here, this is our file user uploaded. Once you click on this, you can see the payment receipts. And also if you go to your email, you can see the account number. Once you go to the email, once you copy this link and paste it in a new tab, you're able to see what's the payment receipts. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button once more. Like, share, and comment on Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video.